This tutorial will guide you through step by step on how to check Facebook page creation date. So right now here, if you tap on the profile, it is my main account. You now switch to the page you wish to check the creation date by clicking on this drop down. So now once you click on the drop down, you now proceed and you now click on the page to switch from your main account to the page. So now once you switch from your main account to the page, you also proceed and you now click on the profile icon at this point. So now once you click on the profile icon, you now navigate to your settings. You click here. So now once you click on your settings, you now scroll down to the place we have page details. So now once you click on page detail, you now scroll down. You will now see creation date. So this Facebook page was created November 29, 2024. So this is how to check your Facebook creation date. So if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you.